Alright, guys, something insane just happened. Well, it's not insane for some people, but something I've been waiting for so long just came. And it is the other updates for Beeswax Simulator. An update hasn't came for like seriously, like literally about roughly 2 months ago. But happily, this one is humongous, and as well there's going to be, and this is just half of the updates, and then the other half is going to be next week, which is very good. At least I appreciate that. But guys, this update has blown my mind. Like seriously, first of all, I'm just going to claim my hive. Boom! Hive. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you some things in the game and secret areas where you can actually get star jellies. Okay, and new items. Okay, so I'm not going to even talk more about this. I just have to show you this. So number one, come over here, yeah. You have to be finished with the 5 million hot shots goo badge. You have to be on it, like doing it or past it. And now I just completed that 2 days ago, so that's really nice. So if you look on the bottom right, if you go here under the gummy bee, now look on the bottom right, it says the gummy bee wants gumdrops. Now stay here, past gumdrops, and boom! That is a secret area. So you need to complete the hotshot quest to use this. Get 3 glues or more, and there's going to be a new item in the game, NDMR, in this corner, and this is the corner. These are 2 new items: the gummy mask and the gummy boots. The gummy boots are like super insane. It even gives a trail, which is insane. And guys, the star jelly, I already got it. It's supposed to be item here. And look here. What's that sweet honey? What's sweeter than honey? Gumdrops. They're just the stars. Okay, I can't read fast enough. Can't you see it too? What's that gummy bee? And this is when they kill me. They're not seeing clearly. You're always like, I'm going to die now. Goodbye, beekeeper. Ha. And then it just restarts. But that's number one. I got to be quick because seriously, this video, I don't want it to be long because I want to get grinding super quickly. And next is right over here. Come on, let's get here. Yeah, you have to be unlocked. You have to unlock just at least 1 ace badge and 15. Oh, just in time. Right, so you go through here, and then there's going to be a star jelly ice over here. And I get to shoot the after this. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, that's a callback guard, honeycomb belt, crimson guard, and honey mask. Okay, so I'm super lucky that it's nighttime because you need to be in nighttime to unlock this area. It needs to be nighttime. So come on. Okay, I'm just gonna reset and use. You can do parkour, but I'm too slow. I'm too lazy. Come on, quick. I don't care about my bees right now. I'm sorry, bees. Why does that keep happening? Alright, quickly. The fire cannon. Why is it not working? Sometimes this game's really laggy for me, but at least this updates here. Alright, go. Come on. Oh, please don't turn nighttime. Oh, please don't get nighttime away. Alright, drop. Is this actually secret area? You have to go onto these. Holy crap! There, and then you can see a new item in the game and get this glitter, which it gives you. Okay, I don't want to explain that. diamond mask. Look at how many things it gives you, blah blah. Okay, getting on to the next one. Quick. I really just want to get grinding already, but this is for you guys to know. So why did I die? Oh my gosh, seriously? No! After he joined, seriously. I set it on that so I couldn't get off it. Come on, my box load, quick. And guys, if you're already quite good at this game, you have so much more to do still. Because there are 5 billion items, there are 100 billion items, there are much more. And like, oh my gosh. This is a humongous half. And the next half, holy crap, that's going to be insane. Quick. I'm going to leave something which is very hard to beat at the end. Because you guys, you're going to have your minds blown. Like your brains are just going to pop out of yourself. Like, seriously. Play my heart. Okay, done that. So this used to be not here. Well, it was, but then it got removed, and now it's back. It's this. Okay, ignore this. It's just because it's not loading in quickly. Right. So you have to do this parkour. Blah blah blah. I don't really care. Come on. Okay, I'm not going to get my page up because this is a surprise. Wait, where is it? It's not loaded. Oh my gosh, fine. Right. Right. Yes. And it is the demon mask. Right. This is how the... Come on, do it. This is the demon mask. Okay. And guys, there's so much new items. There's crafting and all that stuff. Yeah, I got to get through this quickly because it's like, seriously? No, not really. Because I really want to grind and get these things already. Come on. Come on. Alright, it's been 7 minutes in. Like, all that just for 7 minutes. Like, there's a lot of things. There's still probably going to be more things. Right, so no stop. Okay, drop. Like 17. Okay, so there is this stick bug challenge. Why is nothing loading in already? Okay, this is easier. But okay, next, the second last thing, there's a stick bug challenge, and you can get lots of things and so much honey, so much. And the health, it says how much health, and you can destroy it quickly. And you can get so much honey, so much treats and all that stuff. And like, seriously, you should if it gets spawned or something, I definitely suggest you to go and I don't care if it takes like 2 hours. I just suggest you to do it. Well, you can't even take 2 hours because it'll probably end it because it's 10 minutes to get this high score. And my high score was like 128,000, which is quite big, but the highest person has like 70. Okay, so this is the last thing. I can't have any time. Okay. So the best person at the stick bug challenge has 17,500,000. Like, seriously, what that? Alright, so I'm coming in. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Alright. Look how much health it has. 25 million. And this, I've done 44,000 have gone in like half an hour. This would take me more than 2 days. Wait, half an hour. How many? 44s. Alright, guys, let's do the math. Let's just do the math. I don't really care about other things. There are more items like a magic bean right there. Or seriously, can spawn any type of sprouts. Alright, guys, let's do the math really quickly. What is this calculator? Calculator, quick. Okay, calculator right here. Right, so 44 divided 25 million. 25 million. Yeah, 25 million. Yep. Divided by 44 equals. Wait, what is the equals button? Okay. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Wait, what's half of 568? 250. 284 hours for me to do this. It takes me 284 hours to do that. To destroy it. Like, that's more. That's like a month. That it takes me like. Wait. Okay. 13. 200. Yeah. Wait. Math. Yeah. 284 divided by 30 equals. What the heck? It takes me 9 months to do this. Wait, no. Wait. No. Wait. Yeah, 9 months. 9 months to do this. Wait, is it 9 months or 9 days or 9 weeks? No, not 9 weeks. Yeah, I think it's 9 days. Yeah, 9 days, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna grind. Okay, yeah, but thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye. I wanna grind. Okay, bye.